I did promise yesterday that we will be learning how to do GitHub. Um, to those who managed to see the message on Slack, so I did message on Slack that we're going to do GitHub, and you might be asking yourself, what's the point of GitHub? Why do I need to know GitHub and the likes? Um, yeah, and it's oh, sorry, I didn't see that people were messaging here. Somehow I didn't get the notifications, but yes, today we do have a lesson. So yesterday I did show you guys a ton of cool stuff, particularly that awards website. If you need inspiration, then we came to the conclusion that we're going to do a fashion website mixed with elements of sports and entertainment. But before we get to that, I needed to address something that yeah, that will be very helpful going forward, because if you look previously, I've had to, every time we finish the lesson, I've had to like zip the code. Then I'll push it to the coding group one, um, section, like forum group. But we don't need this. Like this is a bit redundant in my opinion, or it's not practical in the real world. So I need to teach you guys a trick which is very helpful from here on out. And I hope you guys will see why there's need to learn GitHub. So I don't know if this link is um available. So yeah, if you go to the coding group, just yesterday, there's this link here called HTTPS colon double forward slash github.com. Okay, so I'd like you guys to click that. You'd come to the screen here, which looks very nice. Um, you can see very cool animations and the like. Okay, so yeah, so you can definitely come here, and then you can see all this very nice stuff. You don't have to know about this, but it also shows you all the cool animations that you can do. Like you can see this, you see? You can even move your mouse and do all this cool stuff on these um, you know, elements, whatnot, like that. It's pretty cool, I think. Now, that's not why we're here. Um, I'm here to help you to sign up and have an account. Okay, so I already have an account with another account, so I'll use another email of mine to open an account so we can all do it together. Okay. I don't know if it'll let me, but let me just try. Okay. All right. So once you go sign up, that is make a new account, it'll ask you, oh, sorry. Wait, you can hear me clearly? Wait, can everyone hear me? No? Yes?
We can
Hello?
hear you, sir.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Salam saying she cannot hear me properly. I don't know if it's my input or if it's her microphone or yes, Kaba. You have your hand raised up.
Um, when we want to sign up, like when you look at your page, right, and you
Yes.
see that small block,
Uh-huh.
how did you make that small block appear?
This one that says enter email. Yeah, simple. So if you go back to this to github.com, there's an option at the very top there that says sign up, and the top right corner there. I don't know if you can see it. I think I know why. Your screen's half, isn't it? It's like this, yeah. So click the three dots, and wait. Oh, and then click sign up. There's E. You can also use this one as well. So if you've divided your screen in two, like you have your VS Code open and you have your Chrome or other browser open, uh yeah, it's sign up is here. If you're full screen, just click sign up here. Okay. So just click sign up. So it'll take you to this page. Okay. Did that solve your issue? Yes, Audrey. What's your question?
So can you please repeat what are we doing, sir? So
Uh
I joined on the phone and I couldn't hear.
it's okay. It's okay. We didn't play Ghost today, unfortunately. Sorry. But but thank you for your question. Sorry. I completely forgot. I'll start again. We didn't do much, but we'll start again. So from the Slack channel, I mentioned we're going to learn GitHub because this is very essential going forward. Because it's a lot easier than me zipping up the code, posting it here, and then telling you guys, oh, just go on the Slack channel to download the code. Okay, this one's going to be a much easier way to maintain the code going forward. Okay, so I posted a link yesterday. So if you go above these conversations, there's one here that says https github.com. And what is GitHub? It's basically a way for us to share the code anytime, anywhere. But it's essentially you don't have to download the entire code. Let's say I give you the folder today, and then tomorrow I add a file in the folder. You don't have to re-download the folder. You just get the new file and work on it, push it back, and etc. But this will make sense if we do it practically. Okay. So if you go on the main web page, I was telling Cooper that you click sign up here, but if your screen is in half like this, sign up is always there as well. Okay. And you get this block that says welcome to GitHub. So we're trying to create an account. So I'm going to walk you through the process as well. Okay. Now, what email should I use? I do have a spare email, which I will use. So I'll just create an account with that. Okay, so I hope you guys know your emails. If you don't, maybe you might get your parents to help you create one. Okay. So I'm just gonna go deep. Okay. And then it's gonna say continue. So I'll say continue. All right. Create a password. I'll make it very simple, I guess. I'll just say get password. You can make it anything. Okay. Now it might complain. It would say password needs a number and a lowercase. All right. Make sure it's at least 15 characters or at least 8 characters, including a number and a lowercase. Right, now let's have a look at what this looks like. Cooper, I said if you don't know, your email, just ask your parents if they can help you to create one. Um yeah, Salim, I don't know. Like if you have any earphones, maybe, um, you can probably plug them in into your laptop and just inject it into your ear. I don't know. Is anyone else having issues trying to hear what I'm saying? Or
So we can hear.
thank you. Yeah, because I think Cooper and Salam, they're struggling. So you might need to plug in earphones, maybe, if you can. And then yeah. So essentially we're trying to create an account. That's all we're doing. So if you don't have an email, be it a Gmail, be it a Hotmail, Outlook, whatever it may be, just talk to your parents and then they can help you set it up. I'm pretty sure most of you would have an email. Okay. So here we're running into an issue where we're trying to create a password and we're told that the password needs a number and lowercase letters. So I'll make it very simple. I would say 2023. Okay. All right. So yeah, that would be my password here. Get password 2023. Then I'll continue. All right. Enter username. Now the username, it's unique to you. You can choose whatever you like. Whether you want to combine your first name and last name, that's up to you. If you want to make a username with your favorite cartoon, that's also up to you. Like, for example, you could probably say Speedy Gonzalez, okay? If you want. It's anything. Okay, but it'll tell you that Speedy Gonzalez is not available. So I'll choose to go with mine. Okay. So I just go Mangani MK, for example. All right. So it's just my first name and the two letters of my last name. Okay. And it'll say Bangani MK is available. Okay. So let's go continue. Right. And then it'll say, would you like to receive product updates and announcements via email? I would say no for this one. All right. So let's go continue. Right. And then it's going to ask you to solve this puzzle. Now, this is just to verify you're not a bot, that you're a real person. All right. So just go start puzzle. And then it'll say pick one square to show two identical objects. So these ones are different. These ones are different. That's different. That's also different. These are the same. These are different. Okay. So we'll pick this one. And then we'll do the challenge again. So these two are the same. We'll just go okay. And that's it. Create account. You see? So it'll say, okay. We've created an account for you. So go check into your email. All right. Cool. No problemo. So I will log into that email. Okay. And I'll show you what it should look like. So, sorry. So just make sure to log into your email. Okay, this one's going to ask me to verify my login. And I'll just say yes. Okay. Salim, what are you doing? And then I'll say not now. All right. So I'll go Gmail. Okay. And there's my email from GitHub. All right. GitHub launch code. So this is the code that it will give you. Okay. So we'll need to copy this into our GitHub. So I'll split the window and I'll put them side by side. Okay. So you can see. All right. I went to get my mom's email. Okay, Cooper, where did you lose track so I can go back?
So I went to get the email when you were putting in your email. So when you said if you don't know your email, or if you don't have one, you can go and ask your parents to help you make one. I went
Yeah.
to ask my mom for her email,
Yeah.
and then that was when I lost track until here.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay. Let me enter this launch code, then we'll share your screen, okay? So I can help you with that. So 428 483 and then 13, okay? So it's going to verify that these codes are the same. Okay. I'll just say just me for now. That's all right. Are you a student or a teacher?
Teacher.
I'll go teacher. All right, thank you. Maybe you might say teacher as well. It's gonna ask you a lot of these things. Don't worry about this. Just hit continue. Real world twos, blah 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 blah. Just say continue for free, or you can go skip personalization. Okay, and then it will take you straight to your Git profile. Okay, so it's going to initialize your dashboard, and there we go. There's your GitHub. All right. But I'm going to help you guys one by one so we can get this working. Okay. So we'll start with you, Cooper. Do you mind sharing your screen? Yay. Awesome. Right. So, um, create a password. So yeah, just create a password that you would know. Um, but make sure it's got letters and numbers, okay? If you need to
I
see,
forgot. I
if you,
forgot to do it.
sorry,
I I forgot to do it.
okay, we'll help you after Cooper, okay?
Okay. Can you give me 2 minutes?
Yeah, yeah, go for it.
Less than 2 minutes, actually.
No, no worries, no worries. Is anyone else having trouble trying to
Me,
create an account?
I did.
Oh, okay, no, no, no. Anyone else besides Cooper and Salam? So I know that we are on the same page. Okay. All right. Looks like everyone's doing well, which is good. So yeah, I'll continue to explain while we wait for Cooper. So with GitHub, the good thing about it as well is you can save your code. Let's say another advantage is if you see your current laptop or desktop that you're using, if it dies, okay? So if let's say your laptop stops working, if you use GitHub and save your code, once you get your new laptop, you can easily retrieve your code, okay, on the new laptop. Or let's say you go to school, for example, and you wanted to show off to your friends, to your teachers, and be like, "Oh, I did something cool. Let me quickly show you." You just log into GitHub, pull the code, and yeah, you'll have the code right there with you.
Yeah.
Okay, is she?
Yeah, she is.
I can't see cool, but
Seriously, you don't have eyes.
no, I can't see Cooper. I can only see the sharing screen. That's all I can see.
Okay, but
Yeah.
who's typing this? Cooper's typing.
Yep.
So you don't have eyes.
Yes, I don't have eyes. I'm blind.
No, username Cooper's not available.
There's no spaces in your name, Cooper. It has to be one word.
No spaces.
Yeah.
Cooper is not available. What?
No, that's okay. That worked. So just press N for that so you don't get bombarded with emails. Just say no.
N.
Yeah. And then continue. No, it's okay. Then start the puzzle. Yep.
Start the puzzle. It's easy. The last one. No, the last no. Yeah. Mm-mm. Wait, what? I found the first one. Okay. Start puzzle. The houses. What? This one.
No, it'll be the first one this time if you look carefully. So you have to try again because you didn't get it right.
Okay.
Yeah. No, you were meant to click try again. If you refresh, you're just undoing the changes.
The elephants. Yeah. The butterflies, the bees. The bees. Yeah. This one.
There you go. And then if you scroll down the page. Yep. And then create account. All right. So this will then go to your Gmail account. Remember the one which says Tetua78 at Gmail? You need to go into that email to get that code to put here.
So I must add that email.
No. You need to open the email and get the code. That's what you need to do. Yeah. So you probably need to ask your parents to give you the code if you don't have access to that email.
It's not my password or.
No. It's your parents' email. So it went to their email, right? Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, Alan, you can definitely do that. Go for it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I must put in my parents' code.
So you see that email that you used to sign up, the tetiwa78 at gmail.com, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that's your parents' email address at Gmail at Google. So there's an email that got sent to that email account with a code. So if you ask your parents, they might give you that code and then you type it here. Yeah. So you have to go and ask your parents for the code, which is in their email, and then it'll come here. It should come from GitHub. It would say GitHub, and then it'll say, here's your GitHub launch code.
What will happen?
Cooper needs to go and ask for the code. Fail. What failed? All right. Let's see. So Salim, whereabouts are you with this? Did you attempt it all, or do you need to start from scratch?
I'm starting from scratch.
All right. I'll try and explain this to you, Cooper. So I'll show you what I'm trying to do. Oh, I don't know why this is doing that. Sorry. There you go. Okay. So you see how you've got your account here. You see this, you see how you've got your Gmail here, right? And if you go to your Gmail, this is your account like this. I would have preferred if you used this account and not the other one. So you could have used Vumi at gmail.com. So you need to then add your mother's account, which was this one at Gmail. This is where the code is. This is what I was trying to say.
The other way around.
Oh no, you can shift it around. You can change it around. Yeah. 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 Right. So this is where the code went. This is what I was trying to say.
I see the problem. We have to put my dad's account, I think.
The one that you use in the GitHub sign up, that's the one you have to use.
So I can't do anything about this.
You probably have to start from scratch if you don't know the password to this one.
Sheesh.
Yeah. So that's all I was saying. If you didn't have an email, you could have got your parents to help you make one. So you didn't have to use your parents' email. You can use that one. Yeah, the one that says Bangani there. You could have used that one in your Git. Yeah, that one. Because this is your one, right? Is this yours?
No.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you can probably use that if you have to.
So I must start from scratch. How do I do that?
Go back to Slack and then click the GitHub and then take it from there. Oh no. You see it says update your email address there. No, you see that? That one. Yep. So add email address there.
Ah. Okay. I think I know what to do. I'll write it in the chat. Wait. Come. Okay.
At gmail.com. Yeah. .com. All right. So add it. Yep. So go add. All right. And so go down again. If you go down, so you see where it says primary email address. So change it. Change that. Yeah.
This.
Yeah. Change that to vumib at Gmail. And then save. Right. Okay. So now just open a new tab. Okay. As in open a new tab here. Right there. And then go to Gmail. Go to Gmail there. Yep. And you should have the code here. You see that? Now it says GitHub at the very top. Please verify your email address. You see? Now you should verify that. There you go. Nice. Easy. So you can
Verify.
click the cat to the top left, and then it will take you to the first page. Yeah, that one. There you go. Now you're on the same page as me. Okay, well done. All right. So could you please stop sharing? Then I'll help Cooper. Sorry, Salim. Sorry about that. Okay. All right, let's go, Salim. We'll probably have to do it slightly quickly. I wanted to show you a lot, but we probably don't have the time today. So okay. Okay, so you'd have to go GitHub. Yep.
I press the first one.
Yep.
Okay. Don't worry to not take them.
Nah, just do take it at your own pace. All right. Just take it at your own pace. Okay. So no, you're going too far. You're going too far. Just click sign up in the top left, right there. Right, actually, top right. Sorry.
1 minute.
Sign up. Yep.
Wait, it's coming. It's coming. Because they told you every time it's slow.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's very slow. Okay.
What do we do here?
So this is where you enter the email, and I'll show you which one to use. Okay. So you see how in your top right, you've got your mother's picture there? Oh, sorry.
Wait, here?
Yes. So click that. So click that. Yeah. So you see that
What?
email? You see that email that's coming up
This one?
there? That email that says something at gmail.com. Do you see it?
Battery shop?
Yes. So that's the
Yeah.
email that you're going to use.
Okay.
Yeah.
There.
Yeah. So you
This
use,
one.
yep.
Okay.
Yeah. So if I don't manage to teach you guys how to use Git today, this will have to be a
Here.
tomorrow's lesson. So yeah, today I'm purely helping people create accounts and get them sorted, okay?
What does it say?
No, don't use
What's
that
it is
one.
too short?
Just create your own
Wait.
password that you would remember. No. This one will be too confusing. Just use the one that you'll remember.
I want to.
Because if you wanted to log into your GitHub account on another machine and you have a random password, it's going to be difficult.
Workers letter already put workers letter.
Wait, I didn't hear any of that. Sorry. What did you say?
I said it said password needs a number and lowercase.
Yeah. So if you click that I next to continue, you can see what your password is and fix it.
Um,
So click
how
continue.
do we?
Yeah. And then see the I next to continue right there.
This one?
Yes. If you click that, it will show you your password when you're typing it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm writing.
See? So you can see what your password looks like. There you go. See? So you need to remember that
Use it.
password. Yep. So create a username. Yep.
Good. Wait, I'm trying to continue.
Yeah, it's saying SAS is not available. So you have to create another unique username. It can be Salim Sipol, and then that's it.
I can put space.
No.
Okay.
Yep. There you go.
Then
Nice.
I have to.
And then say N.
I
Just
think.
type the letter N. Yep. Yep. Continue. Everyone's typing no. You can just type the letter N. You don't have to spell no. You just say N.
What? What is? Why is it saying verify your account and I didn't do a password?
So go to your that tab on the top left that says no subject. On the top left.
Which one?
Top left to the emails in the top left.
One?
That's no. Don't click that. Don't click that. In your top left.
Oh,
There.
yeah.
No. Top left. Okay. So right is where you are. Left is on the other side of the screen. So he. There. This is what I'm talking about. He.
Oh,
Yes. So you go inbox, and then you should have like GitHub come through here. I don't know where it is. Uh, let's refresh.
yeah, it already refreshed.
It's not here.
Yeah, it refreshes fast, but it doesn't. When we do something, it doesn't work.
Oh no. Okay. Uh, so let's type GitHub and see. Oh, okay. Why is it not working then?
I don't know what's happening.
So let's go create account. All right, and see. Is it doing anything on your end?
I think I don't know what happened. It always does this every time.
No, it's loading.
When I went,
There's a circle
oh,
loading in your tab there. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Oh, all right. Unable to verify. Okay. I'll help you fix this. Uh, so let's do this. Okay.
wait, I'm going to get something.
Yeah, go for it. Go for it.
I'm coming back after 1 minute.
After 2 minutes. Okay. So,
Yeah.
all right. So I think Salam's passwords. was Salim.
It was no, it was not that.
I think that's what you typed last time.
No.
What?
That is wrong. I said then I write
Oh, sorry. Other way around. Okay. Yep. You need a number now. Yep. And then hit continue. Yep. Yeah. Continue again.
no.
So I think now it's going to, yeah, just say N. Just type N and then continue. Yep.
No. It says that again.
Um, um,
Mine doesn't give me a puzzle.
it's having an issue. So watch. It's going to tell you. See that? Unable to verify your capture response. So I have no idea why this is doing this. Wait, do you mind if I take over for a bit? I'll try and.
Mom,
Do you mind if I take over for a bit?
what does take over me?
As in control your machine.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's okay.
So I'll do this. Cooper, even if you memorized Salim's password, I can guarantee you won't get into her GitHub because it will ask you for a two-factor authentication and it will go to her email. So you won't be able to know what that code is.
But what if someone writes it down on paper?
No, writing it on paper is not good practice. It's very bad. Okay. All right. I'm trying to open Notepad for Salim. But it's really slow. Okay. Right. I'll just have to redo the whole thing. Guys, we've pretty much come to the end of today's lesson. Unfortunately, I didn't get to show you guys much. So tomorrow's lesson, I'll show you how GitHub works, so that going forward, you won't have to rely on me pushing the code to Slack. Okay. So if you have to go for it now, you're more than welcome to do so. But tomorrow's lesson is how to use GitHub. Okay. If you if you still have issues in trying to sign up, create an account, please let me know. Then I'll be more than happy to assist you. Okay. All right. Thanks for coming, guys. I'll help Salim. And anyone else who needs help, please remember to stay behind. Okay. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye. Thank you.
Bye, Mom.
Thank you, Tatenda. Bye bye.
Sir, I might not be able to come tomorrow because I don't know if electricity is going or not because electricity usually goes at 4.
Oh, load shedding. Oh, okay. That's okay. Just watch the lesson, but if you still have questions after that, yeah, just send me the question on Slack.
Okay, bye.
Okay, thank you, Cooper. Bye for now. Oh, Salim, your screen is really slow. Oh, is it my screen?
What What's happening? All this?